Hi. Welcome to another Magisk tutorial. In today's video, we gonna talk about two important Magisk modules. First, XML Pack. This module enables you to download and install vendor apps from playstore. But it doesn't mean every vendor app will work properly in all devices, so keep that in mind. Let's get started. Open the Magisk Manager. Go to Module tab and search for XML Pack. Install XML Pack and tap the reboot button to restart your device. Now, let's check on playstore for vendor apps from OEMs. Let's move on to the next module, Auto Performance. This module will boost your OS performance automatically. Unlike other boosters, you don't have to toggle anything, install the module and restart your device, that's it. But you can't find this module in Magisk Manager, because this is a third-party module. So you need to download it from link in the description. After you download the module, open the Magisk Manager. Go to Module tab and tap Install from Storage. Select the downloaded zip file from the storage, and it will automatically start the installation process. Press a volume button to continue the installation. Press volume up button and choose universal option. Now restart your device. You all done. If you like this video, please consider subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. And don't forget to hit the like button and let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.